There are many ways to make money online, and some of the best opportunities are hidden away on lesser-known websites. Whether you want to perform customer service in your spare time or dive into some fun freelance work, these user-friendly sites and platforms can pay you in a variety of ways. Some pay in cash, PayPal account deposits, gift cards, or other rewards. So in this video, we are going to discuss secret websites that pay you instantly. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Bestmark. Bestmark is a mystery shopping company that hires field representatives to go to restaurants and other service-based businesses and report back about their experience. As a field representative, you would be responsible for evaluating the customer experience and employee satisfaction at these businesses. You would also be responsible for providing feedback to the businesses on how they can improve their services. Bestmark pays its field representatives via direct deposit, PayPal, referral bonuses, or gift cards. Here are some of the benefits of working as a Bestmark field representative. You get to try new businesses and services for free. You help companies improve their customer service through your feedback. You can earn extra money on the side. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere. Gigwalk. Gigwalk is a brand intelligence platform that helps businesses by paying people to perform tasks in their local area. The pay varies depending on the task and how many tasks you can complete, but they are usually straightforward and simple. Some examples of Gigwalk tasks you can get paid for include testing apps. You might be asked to test a new app and provide feedback on its usability, design, and features. Verifying addresses. You might be asked to verify the accuracy of addresses for businesses or other locations. Taking photos of local businesses. You might be asked to take photos of businesses or other locations for marketing or research purposes. Gigwalk is a great way to make some extra money and help businesses at the same time. If you're looking for a flexible side hustle, Gigwalk is definitely worth checking out. Medium. Medium is a great website for writers who want to make money from their writing. You can write and publish your articles on the platform, and if your articles are popular, you can earn money based on the number of reads and referred memberships. You do need to apply to be a writer on Medium, but if your application is accepted, you have the potential to earn a significant amount of money each month. Here are some additional tips for making money on Medium. Write high-quality articles that are relevant to your target audience. Promote your articles on social media and other platforms. Publish regularly and consistently. Engage with your readers and respond to comments. Experiment with different types of content and see what works best for you. With a little effort, you can make a good amount of money writing on Medium. Rumble. Rumble is a video platform, web hosting, and cloud services business that operates similarly to YouTube. You can upload your videos and make money in addition to getting exposure. Rumble has over 36 million monthly users, and your video might even be chosen by partner companies like Xbox or Yahoo. The following is an example of the pay scale you can expect. $50 if your video is approved by one of Rumble's partner companies. $100 if your video is chosen to go on Rumble's homepage. Rumble also offers a variety of other ways to make money, such as through advertising and affiliate marketing. If you're looking to make money from your videos, Rumble is a great option to consider. Here are some tips for making money on Rumble. Create high-quality videos that people will want to watch. Promote your videos on social media and other platforms. Optimize your videos for search engines. Collaborate with other creators. Run ads on your videos. Promote your videos through affiliate marketing. Side Hustle Database. The Side Hustle Database is a great resource for people looking for easy online gigs to make some fast cash. It contains a multitude of options, ranging from selling birthday cards to teaching English. The amount of money you can earn will vary depending on the side hustle you select. However, no matter which one you choose, there is potential to earn some real money from these gigs, all located in a one-stop side hustle shop. Here are some of the benefits of using the Side Hustle database. It is a one-stop shop for finding easy online gigs. It contains a multitude of options to choose from. The money you can earn will vary depending on the side hustle you select. No matter which one you choose, there is potential to earn some real money. It is a great way to make some extra cash on the side. It can be a fun and rewarding way to make money. It can be a great way to learn new skills. It can be a great way to meet new people. If you are looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, the Side Hustle database is a great resource to check out. Sweatcoin. This innovative app can be good for both your wallet and your health, as essentially it pays you for your steps. Sweetcoin rewards you for your daily exercise with currency. You can spend your rewards on items from many brands and retailers, or you can even cash out the rewards or donate them. Either way, you're making money moves. Teachable. If you are an educator or knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can earn money on Teachable. There are many opportunities available, such as creating and selling online courses, digital downloads, or coaching. For example, once you have designed a course and added your content using Teachable software, you can then start selling it. Teachable even allows you to set your own price, and you don't have to worry about course delivery or payment processing, as it's all done through the platform. Teachable is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with the world, and it can be a very rewarding experience. You can also use Teachable to build a community around your courses and connect with other like-minded individuals. If you are looking for a way to make money online, Teachable is a great option to consider. Freelancer. This website is a great place to find freelance work. You can offer your services in a variety of categories, such as writing, editing, programming, design, and marketing. You can also set your own rates, so you can make sure you are being compensated fairly for your work. Additionally, the website provides a platform for you to connect with potential clients and build your reputation as a freelancer. User testing. This website pays you to test websites and apps. You can earn up to $10 per test, and there are no qualifications required. To get started, simply sign up for an account and start taking tests. You will be asked to complete a variety of tasks, such as finding bugs, providing feedback on the design, and testing the functionality of the website or app. Once you have completed a test, you will be paid via PayPal. There is no limit to the number of tests you can take, so you can earn as much money as you want. This is a great way to make some extra money, and it is also a fun way to help improve the quality of websites and apps. Inbox Dollars. This website is similar to Swagbucks in that it offers a variety of ways to earn money. Inbox Dollars offers multiple ways to earn money online, such as reading emails, taking paid surveys, playing games, and more. Users can also influence future products and services through the Inbox Dollars community. You can earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. You can also earn money by reading emails, playing games, and referring friends. The website offers a variety of ways to earn money, so you can find something that you enjoy doing, and that will help you earn extra cash. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.